Hello bikers and babes, it's Rick Star Gonzalez with another how-to video. Today I'm going to replace the floor mats on my 2020 F-150. Here we go. I live in San Marcos, Texas, and when it rains here it gets really muddy and sticky and humid, you name it. Well, one of the things I chose to do was to buy some decent mats for my F-150. Until you can buy generic mats and cut them to fit, I chose to go with something that's already molded to the truck to get a cleaner look. Because even the OEM little mats there, they're just kind of, I don't know, they're not gonna cut it. So let's see what these things look like in the truck. So here are the floor mats that came with my F-150. Passenger side, driver's side. And no mat in the back. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Oops, it's upside down. Big dummy. Okay, now that I flipped it over, wow, is this gonna fit? Let's see. That's a pretty tight fit there. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty darn good. Guess you gotta shimmy this up a little bit in there underneath. There we go. Go to the other side. Okay, took it in there a little bit. It's molded pretty nicely to this actually. Very nice. Okay, now let's get rid of these suckers. All right. Get out of here. You too. So here in the front, you can see it had two pieces, one here and one there. The new one goes all the way across. So let's see what this floor mat looks like. Okay, I think I need to put the bottom part in first. All right, here we go. There we go. Yeah, it gets way too muddy in these parts. Let's see how this works out. Hey, those holes line up perfectly. Nice. So I'm gonna line up these holes first and then adjust it to however it needs to fit. Nice. Snap it right in. What about this one? Close. Such a precise fit, you gotta kind of toy with it a little bit. Getting a tuck in right here. I thought it was all wrinkly. No, it's contoured to this. Okay. We're almost there. There it is. 2 snaps are in. It's already getting dirty, look at it. But that should protect the carpet. Nice. It's molded really nice here. So I guess there is kind of like a crease here, but I think with the heat, it'll straighten out. But for the most part, this thing's molded pretty darn good. Contour is really good. Like even right here, it's got like a little indentation. Perfect. So that's what it looks like after. All right, that looks really darn good. I'm happy. All right, my truck is starting to feel like my truck. I've only had this thing going on 3 weeks now. And now I feel like starting to get all my stuff together. I know where things are at. So this F-150 is starting to fit in. Much better. Look at that. These mats look great. Awesome. And like I said, check out these YitaMotor floor mats. I'll put the link in the description. So if you like this content, punch the subscribe button. Ring that notification bell. But as always, get out and ride, and God bless you.